Question number 5 on bills of exchange. I am taking variety of questions so that all your concepts gets clear, and for practice you can start practicing with the book parallelly. So let's start with question number 5. A drew a bill upon B for rupees 10,000. A is the drawer, B is the drawee. For A it will be bills receivable. So let's pass the first entry in books of A. It will be bills receivable account debit 10,000 to B 10,000, and in the books of B the entry will be A's account debit 10,000 to bills payable. Bills payable needs to be credited 10,000. Okay. After 2 months, B retired the bill at a rebate of rupees 100. Now this word retired is very important in the question. When does a bill get retired? When P wants to pay the bill before due date, it is called as the bill has retired. So after 2 months he wants to retire the bill. So a rebate will be given, and that is rupees 100. So rebate is expense for the drawer and it is income for the acceptor of the bill. So we will pass the entry 100 rupees is the rebate. So now A will not get full 10,000 rupees. He will get 10,000 minus 100, that is 9,900, and the bill retires before the due date because the payment is made before the due date. The entry will be cash account debit. Cash is coming in. So cash account debit. How much? Not full. Only 9,900 because 100 is rebate, expense for the drawer. So rebate account debit. Rebate is 100 rupees. 2 bills receivable. You have to bring this to an end. So what you had debited, have to credit here. It is 10,000. So this is, you need to know and remember that rebate is expense for drawer. Rebate is expense for drawer, and expense we always debit a expense. So what about the entry in books of B? Here bill payable comes to an end. So bill payable account debit by 10,000. Reverse of this credit because it is coming to an end. So bill payable account debit to cash. I am paying to cash, but I am paying only 9,900. 100 is rebate, and to rebate is 100. And remember here, rebate is income for the acceptor because he is paying before time, earning some income because of payment before time. Rebate is income for acceptor. Here it is B. So it was a simple question on if bill retires before time, how do we do the entry of rebates? Taking the next question.